Alright, so these questions are pretty similar to the last ones, except now we're going to add on some more steps. In this first question, my common base is 4, so I have 4 to the power of x plus 1 equals 4 cubed. Then the bases are the same, so I can make the exponents equal. So now I have x plus 1 equals to 3. I'm going to subtract the 1 on the other side, so x will equal 2. Similar thing in this question, my first step is to make my common base, so 2 to the power of 5. My second step would be to bring that to the exponent. So it will become 2 to the power of negative 5. Then I can make the exponents equal. So x minus 2 equals negative 5, and then I can add this on the other side. So x would equal to minus 3. Look at this question here. My common base now is going to be 5. So when you have multiple terms in the exponent, make sure you include a bracket. So 5 squared is 25. And make sure you include the bracket with the exponent if you have multiple terms. It's going to be 1 over 5 cubed. Now this is going to be 5 to 1 minus x equals 5 to the exponent of negative 3. Bring that to the top. Now we can make the exponents equal. So 2, 1 minus x equals to minus 3. I'm going to multiply this into the bracket. So 2 minus 2x equals to minus 3. Let's continue that up there. So now I'm going to take this 2 and I'm going to subtract it on the other side. So I have minus 2x equals to minus 5. Then I'm going to divide both sides by negative 2. So x will equal 5 over 2. If I take a look at number 4, it's pretty similar. So again, my common base is going to be 2. So on this side over here, I'm going to have 2 to the power of 2, which is 4. And then I include my terms in a bracket because there are multiple terms. And on the other side, you're going to have 2 to the power of minus 1. I'm going to make my exponents equal. Since the bases are equal, I'm going to multiply that out. So 8x minus 2 equals to minus 1. I'm going to take the minus 2 to the other side and add it. So 8x is going to equal to 1. So x will equal 1 over 8. Okay, questions are going to get slightly more difficult over here. So now I know my common base is going to be 2. Over here I have to bring the 2 to the top. So it's going to create a negative exponent. So I have 2 to the power of negative, and since I have multiple terms, I will include them in a bracket. And over here that's just going to be 2 cubed. So now I have negative x plus 1 equals to 3. So negative x minus 1 equals to 3. I'm going to add the 1 on that side. So negative x equals to 4. So x will just equal minus 4 because I divide both sides by negative 1. Last question, pretty similar concept. My common base here is going to be 2. So I have 2 squared, which is 4. And then I have 2x plus 1 in a bracket. And 2 cubed is 8. I have 1 minus x in a bracket. So I have 2 times 2x plus 1 equals 3 times 1 minus x. Made my exponents equal. I'm going to multiply the numbers into the bracket. So I have 4x plus 2 plus 3 minus 3x. I'm going to bring the x term to this side. So I have 4x plus 3x plus 2 equals to 3. 7x plus 2 equals to 3. I'm going to minus the 2 on the other side, so 7x is going to equal to 1. So x is going to equal to 1 over 7.